Go na! Start na!
Wait, please. Wait. 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 Wait.
Very late na. Ay.
No, 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 not yet, not yet, not yet. Hi, guys. Oh my gosh! Thank you, Luna. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Bobo. You're welcome. You're welcome. Woo! Look, this is Bobo's and this is Luna's. I wonder what's inside. Oh my gosh. I'm making this up. Okay, first okay. What will we do with this? Oh my gosh! It's divided into. Okay, we should close this up. Oh my gosh! I get too much in trouble. First, we open this. Okay. Whoa. Oh my gosh! There's. Oh! I see black and yellow. Okay. Okay, boys and girls. So it's now. Okay, don't know what that is again. Oh. Okay, fine. We should open this now. Okay, so now I can open this. Wait. Okay, fine. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, now we should open this. Oh my gosh. Oh, it's a baby flamingo. That's a baby flamingo. Oh, I think it's okay. Sorry, mommy's asleep. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, she's sleeping now.
Sige na, bye na.
Bye guys, thank you for watching our video. And remember, always stay happy and rise up. And don't forget to take care of your little baby flamingo. And you know what's inside in this white egg. And is it a flamingo or a bear or a peacock? And or you can also subscribe here or there or everywhere. Bye.
Nag-shade